Buying an outdoor sofa looks simple until every product starts sounding durable, comfortable, and weather-resistant. So how do you actually choose the right one? Here's the simple answer. The best outdoor sofa fits your space, supports the way you live, handles your local climate, and stays comfortable without creating more maintenance than you want. In this guide, we'll cover the 6 things that matter most: size, layout, daily use, frame material, outdoor fabric, and cushion construction. First, measure your patio, deck, balcony, or poolside area before you fall in love with a sofa online. Product photos make scale difficult to judge, and a sofa can technically fit while still making the entire area feel cramped. Measure the sofa's full width and depth, then measure the space around it. As a practical guideline, leave about 18 inches between the sofa and a coffee table. For a main walkway, aim for roughly 30 to 36 inches. Pay extra attention to sliding doors, stairs, grills, and gates. Those are usually the places where a tight layout becomes frustrating very quickly. Here's an easy trick. Use painter's tape, cardboard, or string to mark the sofa's footprint on the ground. Then walk around it, open the door, and place your side tables or outdoor rug. 5 minutes of testing can save you from a very expensive return. Next, think about how you'll actually use the sofa. For reading and relaxing, look for deeper seats and supportive back cushions. For family dinners or weekend barbecues, a modular sectional gives you more flexibility. You can keep the pieces together for everyday lounging or separate them when guests come over. Beside a pool, prioritize a rust-resistant frame, quick-drying cushions, and outdoor fabric that can handle splashes, sunscreen, and regular sun exposure. For homes with kids or pets, removable covers, stain-resistant fabric, rounded edges, and easy-to-clean surfaces often matter more than a perfectly styled product photo. Many buyers shop for the patio they imagine instead of the patio they actually use. Before you choose a style, ask yourself, what will I really be doing here most of the time? Now let's talk about the frame. For most outdoor sofas, rust resistance should be one of your first questions. Aluminum is a strong all-around choice because it is lightweight, rust-resistant, and easier to move than many heavier materials. Powder-coated steel can feel sturdy and supportive, but the protective finish matters. If that finish becomes damaged, moisture may eventually reach the metal underneath. Outdoor wood, including teak and acacia, gives you a warm, natural look. It can be beautiful, but it normally requires more care over time. PE wicker creates a relaxed, classic patio style. When comparing wicker sofas, look for tightly woven UV-resistant material and a durable frame underneath. So, what is the best outdoor sofa frame? For rainy, humid, or low-maintenance settings, aluminum is often the easiest choice. For a more natural appearance, outdoor wood can work beautifully. Just be honest with yourself about the upkeep. The fabric is where marketing language can get confusing. A good outdoor sofa fabric should offer water resistance, UV resistance, fade resistance, breathability, stain performance, and easy cleaning. And remember, water resistant does not mean waterproof. If cushions sit in heavy rain, drainage and drying speed still matter. Even high-performance outdoor fabric needs airflow and reasonable care. Olefin is widely used for outdoor furniture because it is quick-drying, stain-resistant, and generally offers good value. Premium performance acrylic fabrics, including options such as Sunbrella, are often selected for strong UV performance, color retention, and a softer feel, although they may cost more. Polyester can be a more affordable choice, but check whether it includes an outdoor-rated UV or protective treatment. Instead of choosing by fabric name alone, ask 4 questions. How well does it resist fading? How quickly does it dry? Can the covers be removed and cleaned? What does the care label actually require? The best outdoor fabric is not automatically the most expensive one. It is the one you can realistically maintain. A beautiful frame cannot rescue uncomfortable cushions. For outdoor seating, look for foam that provides support, holds its shape, and allows moisture to drain. Removable zippered covers also make routine cleaning much easier. Seat depth matters too. A deeper seat usually creates a more relaxed, lounge-like feeling. A shallower and more upright seat may work better for conversation, dining, or people who prefer more support. Check the cushion thickness, back height, and seat height, not just the sofa's overall dimensions. Comfortable is not one universal measurement. It depends on how you sit and how you plan to use the space. If your patio is uncovered, ask what happens after a storm. Do the cushions drain quickly? Can they be stood upright? Is there enough airflow underneath? Quick drying means less time waiting and more time actually using your outdoor space. Finally, think beyond the purchase price. A cheaper outdoor sofa is not a bargain if the frame rusts, the fabric fades, or the cushions stay damp and lose their shape. A low-maintenance setup usually combines a rust-resistant frame, removable covers, quick-drying cushions, and surfaces that can be cleaned with mild soap and water. Basic care still matters. Remove leaves and debris regularly. Clean spills before they settle, help the cushions drain after heavy rain, and use a furniture cover during long periods of non-use. The goal is not zero maintenance. Outdoor furniture lives outside. The goal is maintenance that feels reasonable for your schedule. Before you order, ask yourself these 6 questions. Does the sofa fit with enough room to walk around it? Does the layout match how I relax or entertain? Is the frame suitable for my local climate? Is the fabric outdoor rated and fade resistant? Will the cushions drain dry and keep their shape? Can I realistically follow the recommended care routine? If the answer is yes to all 6, you're probably making a much smarter purchase. At Acanva, different outdoor designs solve different needs. The Vento modular outdoor sofa is a strong option for people who like the warm look of teak, but prefer the lower maintenance of an aluminum frame with a wood grain finish. For poolside relaxation, the Solora Chaise Lounge includes an adjustable backrest, a built-in side surface, and thick quick-dry cushions. For entertaining, the Terra modular sectional can be rearranged for different layouts and includes integrated table space for added convenience. One sofa is not best for everyone. The right design is the one that solves your specific problem. So, what should you look for when buying an outdoor sofa? Start with accurate measurements. Choose for your real lifestyle. Prioritize a climate-appropriate frame, outdoor-rated fabric, supportive quick-dry cushions, and a care routine you can actually maintain. The right outdoor sofa should make your outdoor space easier to enjoy, not harder to manage. For more outdoor furniture guides, design ideas, and product details, visit acanva.com. And tell us in the comments what matters most to you: comfort, low maintenance, flexible seating, or poolside performance.